Be like this. I'm back, baby. Or like, I'm back, baby. I'm back, and my hips are cramping. Now that I've had my fun, it's time to get to work. I gotta get all this stuff on the front bolted down. Probably try getting the radiator in here. Get there so I can prepare for this. It's time to do that then. Right there, starter. It's in there, kinda. I gotta bolt it down. Yeah. Great shot. Oh no. Wait. That goes up here. Boom. Alternator's on. I've got all of this stuff up here to bolt down. Do you do anything? Do you go in there? Do you fit in this hole? Oh, that feels pretty deep. That might be this. What the? Oh, goodness. Alright, that one is a little bit longer, so presumably you go through there, maybe? Yes. You see? You know what that one doesn't do? Stop. That worries me. Is it not actually tight yet? No. It was like 2 more turns and it was there. I thought it was already bottomed out and it was just free spinning. Almost had a panic attack. Well, that was all of that, wasn't it? Got new belts. I'll throw those on. To remember which one is which. Pretty sure that one goes around everything. So here's that. Boom. Killed it. Can tighten that down here in a minute. And here's this. Shisha. Shisha. Look at you coming together. I don't know how to tension the alternator. Okay. Oh. actually happened to notice while tossing this radiator back in here that both sides, the top brackets are just not attached anymore. So that's cool. That's not really secure, but it works, I guess, for now. I'd like to change the radiator in the near future anyway. Throw Mishimoto in here or something. Radiator's not secure, but good news is that the radiator brackets are. Cut like an inch off of the bottom there. Cut it. It fits. Sort of. Good enough. Sucks I can't just reach through the front of the truck anymore to do stuff because the radiator's back in the truck. Got the bottom rat hose on. Oh, I don't know what just popped, but good God, it hurt. Oh, I feel like my thumb just fell off. I don't know what that was, but I imagine that's what Mr. Potato Head feels like when he loses a limb.
You would not believe what I've been through tonight.
Yeah. Don't make a mess, or I'll cry. This is pretty much full. Surprise, surprise. I had purchased a cheap set of spark plug wires to throw on here because I was kind of thrown off by this this NGK blue. But these are obviously way higher quality for one. They're all labeled really well, exhaust and intake. So there's no mixing it up. It should be real easy. I did some work on my valve cover though, which I'll probably throw in here. So yeah, did that. Shaved everything off the valve cover. There was some welded on nuts for the intake box for the original Hitachi. I won't be using the airbox obviously because I have the Weber comes with a new airbox and filter. So shaved those off. I didn't have any decent plastic retainers for the spark plug wires anyway, so I shaved all the tabs off for those as well. I'm gonna purchase some, I believe they're anodized aluminum retainers, and just kind of try to keep those neat. They'll probably just be floating at that point, but I'll figure something out, and then we'll get that doused in some new paint today. But I'm gonna throw these wires on real quick first. Not gonna lie, the blue's kind of growing on me. So, that's done. That's dope. I think I need to apply some paint to the valve cover now. Hit it with some match primer, and then start hitting it with the paint I chose. So there we have the valve cover, all painted, but it is already starting to texture up. The progress that I have right now, I'm going to go ahead and cut off. This is going to be the end of the video. I've got some shopping to do, just little tidbits here and there, to start making some sense of what is now looks like a disaster. So I want to bring back some organization to what I've got put together. So for now, we're going to be rocking the cloth cover again. I'm going to get started today working on the old Weber install. So I've got everything laid out, ready to go. We're going to get cracking on that, and that'll be the next video for you guys to look forward to. So that's going to be it for now. I'm going to keep on working, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.